Welcome to AI Business Stack. This video explains quote follow-up workflow for small service businesses. Quotes stall when there is no clear owner, no follow-up date, and no useful next step. A professional quote follow-up workflow gives a small service business one controlled process for logging the quote, preparing a relevant reminder, recording the outcome, and closing or parking the opportunity without relying on memory or pressure tactics. The goal is not to automate every customer message. The goal is to make the manual process visible and repeatable first, then add carefully reviewed support where it reduces administration without inventing discounts, availability, or urgency. What a quote follow-up workflow includes. A dependable workflow has 5 parts. A quote record, a named owner, approved business facts, reusable message patterns, and a review cadence. An AI assistant can draft from approved facts. A person checks the output. The tracker records what happens next. Capture, record the contact, service quoted, sent date, value estimate, status, owner, next action, and follow-up date. Ownership, give every open quote one named owner and one next action. Drafting, prepare a short reminder from confirmed scope, inclusions, and the requested next step. Review, check names, claims, pricing, availability, tone, and consent before sending. Close or park, use a final helpful note and a stop rule instead of following up indefinitely. Start with open quotes, not more software. Choose the channel you already use to send quotes, such as email or a CRM. Add only the fields required to run the process. A structured spreadsheet can be enough at the start. A CRM becomes more useful when volume, team handoffs, or reporting needs increase. Use approved facts, not AI guesses. Create a short source of truth record for the business. Include services offered, typical inclusions and exclusions, how booking works, normal response expectations, and what must never be invented. If a fact is missing, the draft should ask a clarifying question or leave a placeholder. It should not invent a discount, deadline, guarantee, or competitor comparison. Build a calm follow-up sequence. Adapt the intervals to your sales cycle. A practical starting pattern for many service quotes is send the quote and immediately log the owner, status, and next follow-up date. Confirm receipt after 2 days and offer to clarify one part of the scope. Send a useful reminder around day 5 that restates inclusions and the easiest next step. Check in around day 10 on whether timing, budget, or scope has changed. Send a final helpful note, then close or park the quote and leave a clear reopening path. Keep every message short, reference the actual quote, ask one clear question. Do not invent scarcity. If the customer asks you to pause, update the status and stop the sequence. Where AI helps and where it must not. Use AI to draft a first version from the quote details and approved facts, tighten wording, or suggest a subject line that names the service. Do not let AI invent discounts, guarantees, availability, or credentials. Claim competitor timelines or prices. Continue a sequence after an opt-out, or send anything automatically before human review. What to automate first? Start with internal actions. Remind the owner when follow-up is due, prepare a draft, or flag a quote with no next action. These changes reduce missed work while keeping customer-facing messages behind human review. Only consider automatic sending when the required facts, consent basis, exception handling, stop rules, and audit record are documented. Measure the workflow honestly. Track operational measures before making commercial claims. Percentage of quotes with a next action, overdue follow-ups, replies received, booked work, and recorded lost or parked reasons. These measures show whether the process is being used. They do not prove that AI alone caused a sale. Common mistakes often found in this process include the following. Sending daily just checking in messages with no useful next step. Using one generic template for every service without adapting the facts. Automating sends before ownership and stop rules exist. Offering discounts in follow-ups that were never approved. Leaving quotes open indefinitely with no close or park decision. Turn the process into an operating system. The AI Lead Follow-Up Kit provides a practical starting structure for capture, approved replies, ownership, follow-up timing, and weekly review. If quotes and proposals need a working interface rather than templates alone, use the AI Quote and Proposal Manager. Next step, choose 5 open quotes, assign an owner and next action to each one, and run only reviewed reminders for 1 week. Add automation only after that evidence is visible. Results depend on the business, offer, market, data quality, implementation, and human follow-through. Some tool links on AI Business Stack may be affiliate links. This does not change the price paid. Read the full guide on our website. Your next step is to get the AI Lead Follow-Up Kit. Results depend on business context, data quality, implementation, and human review.